Hello friends, welcome to Learnology. In this episode, we dive into the key findings and trends from our recent survey. We will break down the data, discuss the insights, and explore how these results can drive improvement. So today, as you can see, I have a Excel sheet and I have two Excel sheets. So in the first, you can see it's a code book and the another one that is data. So as you can see, it's a survey-based data. It's a questionnaire. These are the responses which we got from the survey. So here you can see we have different column like ID, age, year, sex, part, job. So basically we are just going through this Excel sheet, going through this data to get the insights. And first of all, we are going through the process of data cleaning, how we can clean the data. So basically, in the data cleaning, firstly, we check the quality of the data, whether we have any missing value, whether we have any duplicate value. And apart from this, we have a code book here. So in the code book, as you can see, we have variable name, variable label, variable scale. We have ID, age, year, sex, gender. So in survey, when we prepare a survey, so basically we give here we have given in this sex gender column this is the variable name. We have given one for men, two for women, and third for non-binary. So these are the codings of the survey, and based off these codings we are just going to process our data. And this is the code book. Based on this code book we are just going to check this data and prepare the insights for this data. So let's start the data cleaning process. So in the data cleaning process, first of all, we should check the quality of the data. So I'm just going to select this column and going to apply the filter. So with the help of these filter, I can easily check the data what I have. So here we have 2, 4, 9. These are the IDs. This is the column based on the IDs of the respondents. So it's 2, 4, 9, 10, 13, 14, 17, 21. So these are the basically IDs. I'm just going to remove this filter. Now you can see we have age. So these are the different age in this column. These are the ages of different people like 21, 22, 24 years, 25 years, 26, 27 years. Now we will check the sex. As I told you earlier, as per this code book, yeah, this is the sex. So as we have given 1 to a man, 2 for women, 3 for binary code. So now here you will get only 3 value, 1, 2, 3. First one is for men, 2 for women, 3 for non-binary. So this is how our data is. And first of all, I will tell you how we can clean the data. So just to clean the data, first of all, we need to check whether we have any duplicate value in the data. To check the duplicate value, just select a particular column where you want to check whether there is any duplicate data or not. So select the first column and go to the data tab and click on the remove duplicate. Here you can see two options. The first one is expand the selection, and the other is continue with the selection. I will click on the continue with the current selection, and I will click on remove duplicates, and it is showing my column, that is ID. I will click on OK. It says we have 20 duplicates value found and removed 887 unique values. Once you will click on OK, so it is going to delete 20 duplicate values. So this is the one way to check your data and to delete duplicates. Okay, now we'll discuss another one. So the another one, sometime what happens, you get the data and you also get some blanks. Like here you can see the number. Suppose I'm giving an example. I'm just going to delete this one and this one. Okay. And suppose not here, but it's a long data. Let me show you the how many rows we have. To check the rows, we will click the column, press Ctrl Shift and down arrow. So the total number of columns, total values, total IDs which we have, that is 886. You can see the count over here. And this is the total count, 886. So now you can see how we can, now you learn how we can remove the duplicate data. And suppose here in somewhere is missing value like this or like this, there's a missing value. So you can check in your data that is if there is any missing value in your data. So you also need to check whether you have any duplicate value or you have any missing value in the data. If the value is missing somewhere, so somehow you are going to you will not get the result which is required. So these are the basic, very primary data cleaning steps. Okay. And also you can check the age if you have given in your code book that we have certain like 4 to 5 parameters in some quotient, and when you see here the quotient are not 5 or not 4, so you can also check this accordingly. Okay, so as I told you earlier, these are the code book and these are the data. So we have got the responses, and based on this we are going to make useful insights. On the basis of these useful insights, a business owner can make decision whether they are facing any kind of issue in the business or they should improve in some field, or what decision should they take for their business, how they can improve their business. With the help of insights we can get clearly a clear idea on this business. So based on this data, I have prepared a PPT for you. So today you can see how we can create a PPT based on the survey data. So here I am going to show you. So basically this is the first page of the PPT where I have given a title, that is the survey title overview. Here you can mention welcome to the survey results overview. This presentation highlights key insights and findings from our recent survey. We will delve into the data trends, participants, feedbacks, and actionable recommendations. I have also used these charts, some graphs, pie charts. As you can see, this is the health satisfactory where you have some fields, and this one I created a dashboard just to present gender-wise data, that is ratio, that is the partnership, that is the percentage, that is the health satisfactory. So you can prepare this in PPT as well as in the Excel. So based on this code book and also based on this data, I have prepared this useful PPT. So this is how you can prepare PPT and analyze the data. Suppose you have respond the respondents has responded on this particular survey, and you can also see the percentage. We are just taking example of gender wise, that how many male and female they have participated in the survey, what is the percentage, what is the ratio. So as you can see, the survey reveals a significant gender disparity among respondents, with 31% identifying as male and 69% as female. So that all insights I have taken from this data, I have created that all insights with the use of this particular to prepare to prepare these insights you can use the pivot tables. So to know more about the pivot tables, we can cover this particular topic in another video. For now, you can see how the code book and how the data, how we can clean the data, how we can go through the ETL process, how we can remove the duplicates, blanks, and we can check whether our data is the quality of the data is good or not, and how we can on the basis of the survey data, how we can make a presentation, how we can represent the data, how we can make a presentation by using these charts, these funnel charts, and the different charts you can also use in this. And in the last, I have also given the conclusion, that is the conclusion of all the survey. These are, I have merged all the, there is a slide where I have merged all the charts. So you can see here that is gender wise, that is partnership, health satisfactory, job ratio. And last I have also given the conclusion. This is the conclusion of the data as well as the conclusion of that all the charts, where I am describing all the charts, male ratio, partnership, each and everything. Health satisfactory is also there. So just go through all the sites to learn. If you face any kind of difficulties, so you can mention me in the comment, and just like, share, follow our channel and subscribe, and thanks for watching.